How do you remove a password from the iPad? Let me explain it from multiple different angles. Let's get into it. And if you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, there are more types of passwords and passcodes on the iPad. So what we have the ability to do is to open up the Passwords Manager app, which is a standalone separate application made by Apple. And if you have any passwords stored in here which you want to remove, you can get inside like this, swipe left on the individual stored entries and click on a delete, which will remove the password stored in the Passwords Manager. That's one approach. It will then be part of the recently deleted folder, but you can obviously delete it permanently if you wanted to. However, if you want to delete or remove the password, for example, while unlocking the iPad, you can find it inside of the settings by proceeding to the Face ID and passcode. And once you get in, you have the ability to perhaps turn off the Face ID or turn the passcode off fully. Obviously, it's not a good idea because your iPad is going to be much less secure. So I don't know if you should do that, but that is how you can remove the password, perhaps start or replace it with a new one so you can change the passcode. It all comes down to your personal preference, but that is the stuff which you were probably looking for. If not, let me know about the thing which you had in mind below in the comments. I hope I could help you out. Just hit the thumbs up for more tutorials, subscribe for more as well, and I'll see you later.